Don't you get it, Nina? Take a look at that. J.I. loves you. Look all around you. Don't you get it? J.I. Junior Ikuba loves you. I've been looking for this opportunity to let you know what's been on my mind, to reveal my identity to you. Don't you get it? J.I. loves you. See? Junior Ikuba loves you. Thank God I finally got the chance to reveal my identity to you, to express to you how rich and how deep my love for you is, you know.
Just because of your love for me?
If you see it that way.
Please, just leave, please.
Okay.
Just go, please.
Okay. I'll go. Thank God I finally got the chance to express what's been on my mind. All this. Don't judge me wrong, person. I just started to and I love you. See you in heaven now,
walk like you, I wanna talk like you, smile like you, to all my time with you.
God. I've become an instrument in the hands of the devil. Jake, do you know I love you?
Is that supposed to be a question?
Do you still want me?
Oh, of course. You know I still want you. But why the question?
Jake, I love you, and I know you love me too. The choir has been through so much, and it's because of us. I have a suggestion.
And what's that suggestion?
Can you leave the choir and be with me, so that you and I can be together, away from all of it, away from everything?
But I told you wanted me to be in the choir, to find God. thought you wanted me to change too. But, come on. Look, I can set the sun for you if I could, I would. But what you're asking me for is, come on now. You've been talking so much about God, about morals, and so much you've said to me. And
But I thought you loved me. Why is it so difficult for you to decide?
I do, you know I do.
But I thought this was what you wanted.
Look, everything I've ever wanted was to be with you. But it gave me a reason to think twice about my life. You can't just tell me to just live a quiet. We should just go and have our separate lives. See, I know you've been through a lot. Come on, look. I cannot disappoint Walters now. I'm not going. Look, Nina, please, why not just come back to the choir? The choir needs you. I need you too.
But I thought this was what you wanted.
Nina.
Man, where have you been? I've been looking all over for you.
Hey,
I'm just coming from your place.
What's happening?
Man, there's big time fire on the mountain. I mean, the drug law officers are picking guys up everywhere.
And so, what has that got to do with you?
You asking me? My guy, any don't walk out.
As
He don't kolo. I mean, you got me right. Like, it started like 2 days back. And then we're together, like, talking, gisting, but he was acting funny, but I took it for a joke. And I heard the thing got him hooked. Right now, as I'm talking, Annie is in the hospital.
You're in your eyes, desert in your smile still lays. There's a thirsty grip in you. Never thought that you could be satisfied. Never you believed it would be alright. Hands unseen are holding you. Yes, it's true, so close to you. Give your all and you will see. Never you believed what you could be. There's a miracle looking for you. Every song